Experience the perfect fusion of American muscle and Italian style with the BorromeodeSilva Mustang STL1 Restomod. This stunning vehicle combines the raw power of a classic Mustang with the refined elegance of Italian design, creating a one-of-a-kind masterpiece that is sure to turn heads. Under the hood, Mustang STL1 is powered by a 5-liter Coyote engine. Compared to a regular Coyote V8, the Roadrunner engine features a forged steel crankshaft, forged aluminum pistons, CNC-ported cylinder heads, and a high-flow intake manifold taken from the 302R racecar. Additionally, the engine is equipped with a revised camshaft with a high-lift exhaust profile. It provides more horsepower at an impressive 7,400 revolutions per minute redline due to greater airflow characteristics. The Boss 302 is rated at 444 horsepower, 331 kilowatts, at 7,400 revolutions per minute and 380 pound-feet, 515 newton-meters, of torque at 4,500 revolutions per minute. Front end. Tubular upper and lower full A-frame style control arms. Manual rack and pinion steering box with tie rod ends and bushings. Front drilled and slotted 11 inches disc rotors paired with heavy-duty aluminum calipers. Rear end. Limited slip differential, LSD, and higher ring and pinion ratio. Completely redesigned upper-lower tubular heavy-duty arms. Rear 10.5-inch drilled and slotted disc rotors with heavy-duty forged aluminum calipers. High-performance billet coil over shocks heavy-duty CV joint half shafts. Body shell. Brand new 1006 automotive-grade steel body. The shell is thicker and stronger compared to the original, while retaining the exact shape. OEM officially licensed a complete redesigned high-performance exhaust with luxury top-notch materials and a unique custom-made tip. Exhaust system. A completely redesigned high-performance exhaust. Top-notch aerospace materials increased flow and reduced weight.